Guys, welcome back for another video with Bustos Garage & Co. So today what's on the chopping block is headlight restoration for a 2002 Acura RSX. This is a base model, so it's not the Type S, but this is actually my little brother's car. So I bought him this and the headlights are trash, so we got to do something about it. To start off, we'll be using just basic Rust-Oleum clear coat. You need to make sure that this is the one with non-yellowing, UV resistant, and yeah, that should be permanent. And for sandpaper, I'm just using whatever I have in the garage, which is 180, which is kind of coarse for this project, but we'll make it work. And 600 wet or dry sandpaper, and water bottle with a hole on top to make sure you keep the surface wet. That way you don't ruin your sandpaper too quick. Basic painter's tape, scissors, and something to mask to cover the car. So either newspaper or plastic bag. And yeah.
Hey, hey, yeah. Got a dollar in a dream. Yeah, I got a dollar in a dream. Real niggas on my team. Everything ain't what it seems. Yeah, got a dollar in a dream. Hey, yeah, hey, I got a dollar in a dream. Real niggas on my team. Everything ain't what it seems. Niggas hating, but I love them even though they tryna scheme. But I'm past that. A nigga stock is rising like the NASDAQ. They say I'm the future, but yet I'm giving niggas flashbacks of better days when you ain't have to settle for whatever.
So to begin sanding, you want to go with the more coarse grit to get as much oxidization off. And you want to go light because it's a coarser grit. You don't want deep scratches. And then when you move on to the more finer grit, that's when you can apply more pressure and try to remove those deep scratches that you've created. And when it's all said and done, just I guess get the whole headlight wet, and you'll see the difference, night and day difference from how it was before and now. I mean, it is still pretty cloudy. This will clear up once I put clear coat on, so you'll see how much better this would look. But already you can tell the difference from the right and the left headlight. And this is the yellow headlight that we had before. Another update, finished sanding both headlights. Now, whatever you masked off is going to be wet, so you don't want your headlight or anything that's touching a headlight to be wet, or else the clear coat won't bond correctly. So you're just going to have to rewrap or remask this around, whatever's surrounding the headlight, and pretty much you want to wash it, soapy water, so any type of motor oil, natural oils from your hands will come off, because you don't want that. And yeah, next step is just clear coat. So I'm gonna do 3 to 4 coats. First one's gonna be light, and then the second and the third one will be pretty heavy. And yeah, I'll show you what it looks like once it's all done.
Everything ain't what it seems. Yeah, I got a dollar in a dream. Yeah, got a dollar in a dream. Check it. Hey, Sally, I know I ain't been answering your calls, but shit, let me explain. It's because time's been hard. Been running around trying to find a job. I hear my phone ringing in the morning, 9 o'clock, and it's you. Can't even front, I press ignore. I still got your letters laying in my dresser drawer. You telling me about all the things you did for me.
I moved the car in because it's getting pretty windy outside. And now the last step before clear coat is, if you have this, it's pretty much rubbing alcohol. And I put it on some paper towel and just wipe the headlight to make sure that all oils are removed. And I guess I'll just give you guys a quick time lapse of clear coating it, and you'll see how much better it'll look. So 2 years later, and this is what we get. Now, I'm kind of not happy with how this right headlight turned out. As it was drying too quick because it was too windy, and I was getting these spider cracks. So that sucks. But this left side, or driver's side I should say, came out mint. This wasn't having any wind, and she cured perfectly. So I don't know. So pretty much stay tuned. Let's see if I fix this. I'm kind of choked, to be honest, but it is what it is. Here at Bastos Garage, we're not professionals, but we get the job done, right? That's what you do. Okay, stay tuned. Peace.
On my team, everything ain't what it seems. Yeah, got a dollar in a dream. Hey, yeah, hey, I got a dollar in a dream. Real niggas on my team, everything ain't what it seems. Niggas hating, but I love them even though they tryna scheme. But I'm past that. A nigga stock is rising like the NASDAQ. They say I'm the future, but yet I'm giving niggas flashbacks. A better day.